Imagine this. It's 2040. A hurricane is forming over the Atlantic, the size of a continent. But before it hits land, satellites pulse a signal. Seconds later, fleets of drones release silver iodide into the clouds. The storm weakens, shifts, dissolves. Disaster averted. And the command that changed the weather came not from a human meteorologist, but from an AI. What if machines could rewrite the sky? This isn't science fiction, it's happening. Right now. In China, over 50,000 cloud seeding missions are run each year, many coordinated by AI-driven weather control systems. During the 2022 Beijing Olympics, AI was used to seed clouds and disperse rain before the opening ceremony. In Dubai, drones equipped with AI-guided sensors fired electrical pulses into clouds to trigger rain in the desert. AI is already shaping the skies, one algorithm at a time. But this power comes with storms of its own. Researchers at IBM, S-Graph, and Google DeepMind have built models that can predict weather faster than supercomputers, not in hours, but seconds. In 2024, DeepMind's GraphCast outperformed traditional forecasts by 90%, predicting storms with near-perfect accuracy. The next step isn't prediction, it's manipulation. Imagine AI combining global weather data, satellite feeds, and drone networks to control rainfall, redirect hurricanes, or prevent droughts. The potential? End hunger, stop wildfires, save lives. But the danger? Weaponize the sky. Because whoever controls the weather controls survival. We've already seen glimpses of that dark side. During the Vietnam War, the U.S. secretly launched Project Popeye, a weather modification campaign to extend monsoon rains and flood enemy supply routes. That was in the 1970s, with crude tech. Now imagine that power wielded by autonomous systems, fine-tuned by AI, capable of triggering or halting storms anywhere on Earth. In 2025, reports emerged of geoengineering races, nations experimenting with AI-driven climate interventions to cool temperatures or shift rainfall patterns. But in the delicate chaos of Earth's climate, even a small tweak can unleash catastrophe elsewhere. A rainstorm saved here might mean drought or flood on the other side of the planet. Movies like Geostorm, The Day After Tomorrow, and Snowpiercer imagine technology turning climate control into climate collapse. Black Mirror and Don T Look Up warned us that power and politics Don T mix well with planetary systems. The difference is, this time it's not fiction. AI doesn't feel guilt. It optimizes. It acts on parameters. Reduce storm intensity, increase regional rainfall, minimize property loss. But nature isn't code. It's chaos. And chaos doesn't like being optimized. What happens when AI miscalculates? When a neural network overshoots a variable and shifts a monsoon pattern that feeds half a continent? What happens when rival AIs from different nations fight not on land, but in the clouds? This is the storm of the century, the storm of control. Scientists argue AI-driven weather systems could be humanity's greatest tool against climate change, but philosophers warn, it's the ultimate illusion of control. In trying to master nature, we risk losing our place within it. Still, the temptation is too strong. The same AI that predicts droughts can prevent them. The same code that saves crops could one day decide who gets rain and who gets ruin. So what if AI controlled the weather? Would it end disaster or become one? The sky has always belonged to nature, but maybe soon it'll belong to algorithms, because the future might not fall from the clouds. It might be uploaded there. Subscribe to MajidLabs and keep decoding the storm before it decodes us.